Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you connect your Boult Astra earbuds. First, ensure your earbuds are charged and placed inside their charging case. Simply open the case lid. The earbuds will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. You'll notice their LEDs flashing, indicating they are ready to be discovered by your device. This initial step prepares them for a seamless connection. Next, grab your smartphone or preferred device and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. In the list of available devices, look for Boult Audio Earbuds. Once you spot it, simply tap on the name to initiate the connection. Your device should confirm the successful pairing shortly, and you'll be ready to enjoy your audio. The Boult Astra earbuds come equipped with a Zen quad mic system, featuring environmental noise cancellation. This advanced technology works to significantly reduce distracting background noise, ensuring your voice is heard clearly during calls. Whether you are in a busy office or outdoors, the quad mic enhances your communication, providing crystal clear conversations for both you and the person you are speaking with. If you encounter any pairing issues, first delete any existing Boult Audio Earbuds Bluetooth records from your device. To reset the earbuds, place them in the case, then take them out. Tap both the left and right earbuds 5 times simultaneously until you hear a "do" prompt. Remember to keep your device within a 10-meter range for optimal and stable Bluetooth connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.